Hello friend. In today video we continue with our Splunk Basic. In this video we discussed today permission type and user roles and relation between the roles and permission and create the role, how to create the roles and user. So I hope after this video you will be able to that how to create the roles and user, and you get the knowledge about the relationship between the permission and roles. Okay, first I explain what type the permission and roles. So here this is the three types of the permission on the application. Private application means if one user create that application, and then yeah, that is also accessible this one. uh, mm, yeah, other thing is knowledge object. In the Splunk is the knowledge object also. Knowledge, what is the knowledge object? Knowledge object create the reports, schedule reports, alerts. These are the knowledge object. Let me show you in Splunk. Here you can see the knowledge object so that you get the idea. Yeah, this is the my admin. I am login as a admin. So here this part have the knowledge object like search, report, alert, data module, event type. In future video we discuss the all things separately and how to create that we implement. But we are initially we are discussing the basic Splunk. So first you get the all overview of the Splunk, then we go step by step deeply. Okay, so here we are discussing, yeah, permission type. Okay, yeah. Next is the roles. Actually, this is the predefined roles. What is the roles? Roles, roles allow to user to do the something in the Splunk. Right. There the there are five predefined roles in Splunk. As you can see, admin, power, users. These are the three main roles. Admin have the most capabilities. Yeah, every roles is connected to the some capabilities that is also defined. That capability we can add it. Yeah, we can remove that also. How to add and remove, that we also discuss in this video. So here admin only create the apps and create the knowledge object for the all user, and power user create the knowledge object and share with the other user within the application and do the real-time search. A user has the very least capabilities. It uh, it uh, it allow on the own knowledge object, and or yeah, if other admin user, yeah, power user share the some application some knowledge object, then user can also see that. These are the three main roles. Other than two role also defined in Splunk: can delete and Splunk system roles. This roles has a single capability of deleting by the keyword. Means here in in this video I show you how to delete by the keyword. As a Splunk system role, it's like a admin roles but have the more restriction on the search and job. Okay, and next, what is the yeah, that is I already defined that if user roles is very privatization, it can see only on created on created knowledge object. Power user and admin. If admin give the some uh, grant to the this specific application to the power user, then power user can grant the roles, read, write permission. Power user also can do the whole thing, but by default he cannot create the any application. Admin admin have the all access to the all application, but here admin also we have the one also role, right, can delete. So by default admin role have no delete capabilities. Yeah, let me show in next in this video. Okay, so here yeah, here these are the two main point here. Splunk administrator can create the additional roles. Power u power user and user cannot create the additional roles. User is nothing actually. Without roles, user is nothing. Y- If you assign some roles mm, that already defined by the Splunk, mm, then user can do the some. And roles is uh, have the some capabilities. He can do the some action, this action, this. Have the I will show you. I will show you how many capabilities in this. Uh, okay, let's create the one user roles. Okay, let me open. Yeah, I log in as a administrator because only administrator have the capability of the create the users. So first I create the roles. Okay, go to setting. Yeah, setting. Go to setting and roles. Okay. Okay. This already. Let me delete this. Okay. Yeah, this is created by me. Okay. Admin can delete powers, Splunk system roles and a user. First, this is the admin roles. Here you can edit the capabilities, view capabilities. This is the by default 94 capabilities is 31 is inherited. And can delete have only 4 capabilities. Power have the saving capability or 23 is inherited. User have 23 native capabilities. Okay, let's create the one's role. Okay. Mm, test roles. I give the user roles. So it is inherited from this user have that capability is inherited automatically in this roles. Okay, capability. I give the one more capability also give the this roles also. So we can compare the by default user roles and mm, uh, on created by our roles. Okay, these are the capabilities. You can add the extra capabilities from here, like chain on password you want to give or not. Okay, so here let me give the added local capable app. So it can these roles can create the apps also. Okay, okay, I create the one role. Now we create the two user. Okay, one user with this test user already I created. Okay, this user have the user roles capabilities. Okay, and I create the one user also. Test user one. Okay, you can give the name test. Okay, email address you can give. This is optional. If you want give, you can left also. Test score. Okay, set the password. Convert the new password. Okay, time zone. You can select the time zone as per your user's location. You can define the default application, search and reporting. Okay, so for this user, I want to remove this. I and add the this new roles. This roles have user roles also, but I give the one capability is more than the user roles. Require the password change on the first login. I don't want. If you want, then you can select here. Save. Okay. So now I have the two other than admin. I have the two user, test user and test user one. Uh, You can see view the capabilities of this user. Number of it's not showing here. Okay, you can see I want to show the number of capabilities. Okay, this user have only one extra capability than this user. Okay, so okay, local. Okay, let me log in first with the test user. Test user have what role? User roles. Mm, yeah, one. Mm, very simple role. Okay, under the setting you can see that this user roles only create that the knowledge object and work on that. If any power user and admin user share the some application, and then you can hear the application drop down, then it show here also. Okay, manage the app. Here, here you cannot create the any application. Okay, okay. Uh, mm, when we first time login in as a new user, then you go to the account setting. Here you can change the password, and in the preference, I think I already talk about this preference. Here you can set the your user location time and default application and this, and in the special editor search assistance we already discussed. Theme you can change. Okay, general. Okay, okay, now I log out. Or yeah, I can show here. Okay, I have the another user, test underscore user one. Okay, this user also have the user roles but have the one more capabilities. Same thing here, setting. This also get the knowledge object. These are the all knowledge object. Okay, here if you go manage the app, here that is that I want to show you. Install the app from the file, create the app. So this user have more than one capability. He can create the app locally. Okay, but this if he, this user create the role, any application that access by the admin, because admin have the most capabilities, so you can create the app. Or in this user, this is the test user, this is the test user. Okay, here is not showing. So this like this you can give the more capability on the roles, and you can create the as per your requirement, create the new roles. And so without roles assigned, user is nothing. Okay, so for pre uh, by default is the five roles in the Splunks. Now uh, let me show one thing also. Yeah, delete can delete roles, because test user. I log out from this, login as a admin. Yep. First, I need to the yeah, data onboarding. Okay, add the some data. Then let me show you. I'm talking about now the can delete roles. Can delete roles have the one capability. We can delete the data by the delete keyword. Yeah. First, I upload some data. Yeah, select the file. Yeah, you can drop the file. Okay, this is the data. Okay. Next, source type by default is taking. You can uh, be discussing in the future video how to set source type and all thing. So here we only select as a by default, that is taking. Here you can give index. Yeah, index also three three known internal index, but six also internal index. Review. Yeah, input type is uploaded file. File name is product.css, source type CSV, host name my local desktop name is taking, and index is the main. Okay, submit. Start the searching. Yeah, if you start, you can see by default the selected field is taking source, host, index. Sorry, source type. This is the default selected field or source type. Uh, in my this instance only I have only 4 event, right? Uh, I want to delete that. If I enter here, oh sorry, I already assigned the that admin admin roles, so it deleted one thing. 94 edit. Yeah, yeah, 1 minute. Sorry. Yeah, that already. This is not checkout by default. So yeah, save it. Go to add data. Again, actually, I deleted that data. I again uploading data in the select file, product detail. Select the file. Same thing. By default is source type, host index. By default index is the main. You can select there or you can, yeah, it take the by default. Okay, for event. If I search by the index also, index main, it's showing the for event. Okay, now I try the because delete keyword. Yeah, that time. Here in the deal count, you have a insufficient privilege to the delete the event. Okay, so now in the roles, I show the capabilities. Yeah, you can say delete by the keyword is nothing tick out. If I assign added this roles, I give the this roles also can delete, save it, then again check the capabilities of this admin roles. Yeah, that is the tick out. Now we can delete the, now we can delete the data. Index to, now I enter here. Yeah, successfully deleted. If you search again, there is no data. It is deleted. So how to assign the roles, uh, extra capability, uh, and how to create the users roles and specify application label be discussed in the future video. Yeah, that is the very specific. Then you can say, yeah, yeah, user had very specific capabilities. Power user had more than user. Admin have the most of the all capabilities. And in this, these are two default role can delete and system roles. Yeah, only this is the actually important point why because Splunk admin role he only create the roles additional no power user and user have the capability. Roles determine the capability and data access. So without roles, user is nothing. This is the overall conclusion of this video. Thank you guys. If you have any question and answer yes, then please comment com, in the comment box. And any constructive comment so that I improve in my next future video.